Yes, so Senator Abaribe dismissed the assembly, demanding for Nnamdi Kanu's immediate release. All right, my people, no be small matter. Senator Abaribe, the Senate Minority Leader of the Southeast. Yes, so you see, what's doing is what doing well. Since our Igbo elders have refused to do the needful or speak on behalf of Nnamdi Kanu, Abaribe has taken it up. He has been the one doing it, and he will always do it. And that is one thing I love about Enaya Abaribe. A lot of people say a lot of things about him, but he doesn't care. He keeps doing what he feels that is right. You understand? And that is just it. So, on the issue of dismissing the assembly, his demand for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, made everyone to be melted the minds of a lot of people, and made a lot of them begin to ask questions. In fact, their consciences were so much on suspicious on suspicion. Um, Yesterday was a different day in the assembly. Was a different day in the assembly. People started asking questions. They started looking at each other at the face, asking questions. What spirit has entered Einai Abaribe? Nothing. No other spirit than the spirit of Biafra. When the spirit of Biafra takes over a born Biafran, forget it. He doesn't control himself anymore. At that moment, he will be behaving. He will be speaking in defense of the Biafrans until he's exhausted. And that is what really happened to Abaribe at the Senate that very yesterday. Everybody was marveled. All right, my people, no be small matter. Make we enter the content, we could see wetin really happen and how it take happen. I greet everybody. Thank you for giving me your listening ear. Now, the lawmaker representing Abia South Senatorial District, Senator Enyinnaya Abaribe, is very much optimistic that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu will release Nnamdi Kanu, or else no peace in the Senate. Or more, this guy mean business. So, yes, Abaribe also went on to describe Tinubu as a listening leader, quite all right, and saying that President will do the needful to address the criminal activities affecting the Southeast region. Well, Abaribe said this while addressing reporters after visiting the governor of Abia State, Alex Oti. Abaribe hoped Tinubu would heed to the advice of the Attorney General of the Federation, AGF, and others who have called for the release of the Biafran agitators. Well, he said, I expect the president will listen to both his Attorney General and every one of us who have been agitating about the issues in the Southeast. First of all, the insurgencies, the sit at home on Monday, and every other things we have noticed in the Southeast. What we now know in the Southeast is that criminals and all other people who advocate violence have taken over and are using the name of Nnamdi Kanu to perpetrate all these despicable acts. We know that the president, being a listening man, will also look at all the issues involved, which we have presented to him from various mediums, that he will do the needful and release Nnamdi Kanu. See, let me tell you, Tinubu is not supposed to even think about it or even delay the freedom of Nnamdi Kanu at all, because he doesn't have a hand in it. He doesn't have a hand in it, and he of all people also know that Nnamdi Kanu is innocent, and that is why he went to meet Buhari then to set Nnamdi Kanu free. But to my humble surprise, going to the second year now, Tinubu, who is the president of Nigeria, has not even thought of releasing Nnamdi Kanu. Why? This is something we really need to ask ourselves. Before calling him a good man, what is still delaying the freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Someone need to ask Bola Ahmed Tinubu, because even me, I'm still very, 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 surprised at this. Very surprised at this. Anyway, based on what I just been said right now, my dear listeners, I'm not, calm at all with all of this that is happening. I would like you to air your opinion on this matter and ask these questions, and let's see, call it a goodbye. Please, what is your opinion on this matter? Because this matter calls for a final resolution. Okay, don't forget your comments, don't forget your opinion, don't forget to click on the red subscribe buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.